We have completed project assignment for Skyfi Labs online course on solar mobile battery charger by Anindita Paul, Mahashweta Saha, Ankita, Arindam Paul, Ramanuj Chakraborty.
This project includes the understanding of various components used and their working to create a mobile battery charger using a solar panel. It shows the charging and discharging phenomenon using an LED light connected to the circuit as shown in the next slide.
Components used in this project are first the solar panel, second ICLM317 with output voltage range adjustable from 1.25 volt to 3 volt, third BC548 transistor, fourth Zener diode with reverse bias voltage between 2 to 8 volt. Fifth is the potentiometer with variable resistance 1 kilo ohm. Sixth is the resistor, which are 4 in number, 10 kilo ohm, 180 ohm, 1 kilo ohm, and lastly 10 ohm. Seventh is the LED. Eighth is the 1N4007, which are 2 in quantity, and last is the 9 volt battery.
The circuit that we have designed is in reference to this diagram as shown in this slide. Here we'll be using 21-volt solar panel. The solar panel voltage passes through the diode T1 to V in of the voltage regulator ICLM317. In this input, the output voltage and current can be adjusted. The variable resistor VR is connected to the adjust pin and the ground pin to provide the output of 9 voltage. The R3 resistor restricts the recharging of the current and the diode discharges the current from the battery. LED 1 indicates the power from the solar panel and the lights according to the output voltage coming on the circuit. When the battery charged over 6.8 voltage, the Zener diode conducts the base current to the BC548 transistor and the transistor turns on the grounding, and the LM317 gives the output voltage to the ground. This completes the solar lightning circuit. In conclusion, this project helped us in understanding the importance of renewable energy sources and their various types. Solar energy can be used to power higher energy consuming appliances instead of conventional energy sources. Batteries can be used for storage or transfer of energy in these solar energy systems.